Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to implement picture-in-picture mode in iOS application using VideoSDK. So as you can see, this is how the peep model will look like. You can see the outside the application and inside the app also. Yeah, this is the result. This feature allows user to continue their video meetings while using the another application in their device. Tip mode is actually very important feature for modern video conferencing app, as it lets user to multitask without disconnecting from the meetings. So this is the documentation where I put the necessary implementation guidelines or the prerequisite, which you can go through and understand the flow and how it's actually working. This is the code snippet, which enables the pip mode and start and stop. And this is the architecture diagram, which I will be explaining in later on the video. And this is the file breakdown in which I implement the pip functionality, which gives you the idea how it's actually working. So let's start with the code. You can navigate to the example code from this given link. As you can see, we navigate to the repository. You need to clone this example in your device, and then we can start with it. Before starting with the example, you can navigate to dashboard as app.videosdk.live. And from there, you can go to API keys. From there, you can go to the actions and generate the token. Now I will be generating this token, set the expiry, and copy this token. And I already cloned the example of the B port. Now navigate to this example and put the token in the meeting view.controller. From where, now we can use the dashboard generated token here in the meeting view controller file in token field. And now let's start with the meeting join flow. First, let's understand how apps lets user to join the meeting. So in this meeting setup, you can go to join view, and where there is the UI screen, which will appear first, in which there is you can put the existing meeting ID, or you can join the new meeting. New start with the create new meeting, and you can put your name and join the particular meeting. So this is the meeting view, where actually you will navigate. Now let's focus on picture-in-picture implementation, which is core of our example. Our pip implementation consists of 4 files. It includes a pip video call view controller, pip video view, pip frame processor, and pip content container view. So let's begin with the pip video call view controller. In this particular file, this is the main control file that manages the entire peep lifecycle. It's create and manage the heavy capture, heavy picture in picture control. When user tap on the enable peep mode, or the app goes to background, the picture-in-picture mode will be started automatically. So I have already cloned the example. So I navigate directly to the project structure, as you can see, and use the token from the dashboard we just generated. So you can put the token here, and I will help you to understand what's the meeting flow look like. So this is the meeting setup in which there is the join view, meeting view, and meeting view controller. Join view is responsible for the very initial screen in which you can enter your name or the meeting ID or you can create the new meeting and join the particular meeting. So, and this is the meeting view where actually there will be the controllers for the meeting itself, like the RayStem, and you can disable the webcam or the microphone, and you can see the video stream of the local participant and remote participant. Now let's focus on the picture-in-picture mode implementation, which is the core of our example. So as you can see, there is the beep and beep mode folder, in which there is the 4 key components, which include the pip video call view controller, pip container view, pip frame processor, and pip video view. And now I will be explaining each of this component, which help you to understand how the PIP mode is exactly working. We will be beginning with the main controller is the PIP Video Call View Controller. And it's responsible for managing PIP lifecycle. It's create, manage the every picture-in-picture controller, and it's responsible for start the beep mode and the deactivate the beep mode. It's also responsible for update the video tracks in between. As you can see, in this code, this is the local track and the remote track. And now we jump into the PIP container view. This view organizes the layout for our video feeds. It creates the arrangement where the remote participant video fills the entire PIP window. And while your own video means the local video view is the smaller, and it will be in the left side in the corner. Container view handle, proper sizing, and positioning. And now we go to the PIP video view. And this is the actual rendering individual video stream. This PIP video view, this view handle the actual rendering of individual video streams. Each PIP session has two of this, one of your video and the one of the remote participant video. This PIP video view utilizes the every sample buffer display layer for efficient video rendering, and it provides the smooth performance for that. So now we'll jump to the PIP frame processor. So this is the component which handles the WebRTC stream from the VideoSDK itself, and converts the WebRTC video frames from VideoSDK into a format that can be displayed by iOS native video layers. This frame processor is the key component of the PIP mode implementation. Now, in Meeting View Controller, I already managed the background and the foreground handling. So you can run this example directly in your device, and you can go to directly in the home, press the home button to put this particular application in background mode, and the PIP mode auto will be started automatically itself. Or you can you can click on the toggle button of PIP mode. So yeah, that's it. And then that's how you can implement the picture-in-picture mode in iOS video conferencing app using VideoSDK. As of I explained the implementation of the PIP mode in iOS using VideoSDK. Now it's time to run this application in device. I connect to my iPhone. Now I'll be running the application. So it built successfully. Now let's see the result. As you can see, I installed the application in my device. I'll be join the meeting. Meeting is initializing. Now I can see myself and the remote participant. Now I'll be activating the PIP mode. So as you can see, this is how the PIP mode will look like. You can see the outside the application and inside the app also. Yeah, this is the result. Yeah, so the start of this repository and join our Discord community.